Hi, I'm Matt Neptune, Director of Community Outreach at Mile High Recovery Center here in Denver, Colorado. If you or someone you love is struggling with LSD, ecstasy, or other hallucinogenic drugs, I want you to know something. You're not alone, and you're not beyond help. At Mile High Recovery, we offer hallucinogen addiction treatment in Denver that is compassionate, evidence-based, and tailored to the unique effect these substances can have on the brain, the body, and the nervous system. Substances like LSD and ecstasy, also known as MDMA, are often seen as less dangerous than heroin, meth, or alcohol. But the truth is, they can still lead to profound disruption in a person's mental health, relationships, and overall well-being. LSD and ecstasy are classified as hallucinogens, meaning they alter perception, distort reality, and change the way the brain processes sensory information. While the effect may not seem addictive in the traditional sense, repeated use can lead to serious consequences, especially when it's used to escape, cope, or feel connected in a way that real life no longer provides. We often work with clients who began using MDMA or LSD recreationally, as parties, festivals, or with friends, and eventually found themselves relying on it to feel joy, closeness, or emotional relief. Others come to us after experiencing frightening psychological symptoms long after the drug has worn off. Hallucinogen-related symptoms can include flashbacks or persistent visual distortions, panic attacks and anxiety, depressionalization or feeling detached from reality, difficulty concentrating or thinking clearly, sleep disturbances, depression and emotional numbness, psychosis in severe or repeated cases. These effects can be terrifying and isolating. Many people don't realize that LSD and ecstasy can cause lasting changes in the brain, especially when used frequently or combined with trauma, mental illness, or other substances. That's where we come in. At Mile High Recovery, our LSD and ecstasy rehab program in Denver starts with a thorough clinical assessment. We'll help you understand exactly what's happening, physically and psychologically, and then create a personalized treatment plan to help you heal. Our treatment approach includes individual therapy with licensed clinicians trained in substance use and mental health, trauma therapy and emotional processing, group therapy focused on connection, identity, and purpose, psychiatric care when needed for mood stabilization or persistent symptoms, mindfulness, grounding practices, and nervous system regulation, dual diagnosis treatments for anxiety, depression, or PTSD, sober housing options for structure and accountability, aftercare planning for long-term integration and success. We know that hallucinogen addiction looks different than opiate or alcohol addiction. There's often more shame, confusion, or fear for not being taken seriously. But I want you to hear this. Your experience is valid, and your recovery is worth pursuing. Whether you're struggling with repeated use of ecstasy, unresolved symptoms from LSD use, or a combination of substances, we've seen it before, and we've helped people recover. Our team at Mile High Recovery Center is made up of people who genuinely care. Many of us are in recovery ourselves. We're not here to shame you. We're here to help you get your life back. You may be feeling disconnected, emotionally flat, or unable to trust your own mind right now. That's a scary place to be, but it doesn't have to be permanent. Your brain can heal, your emotions can stabilize, your joy can return. And our Denver-based hallucinogen treatment program is built to help you get there. If you've never been to treatment before, or you've tried and felt misunderstood, we invite you to try something different. We take the time to get to know you, to understand your story, and walk with you, not push you through this process. Whether you need residential care, structured outpatient support, or sober living with accountability, we'll build a recovery plan that meets you where you are. If you're searching for LSD rehab in Colorado, ecstasy addiction treatment in Denver, or just someone to talk to about what you're going through, reach out today. Our admissions team is here to answer your questions, verify insurance, and help you take the next step. You don't have to keep wondering if something is wrong. You don't have to stay stuck in fear, confusion, or emotional numbness. We've helped people come back from what felt like permanent disconnection, and we'd be honored to help you do the same. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our program. If you're ready to feel like yourself again, we're ready to help you rise.